Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I am very happy to see you here today. In this video, we are going to learn English with the shadowing technique. What is shadowing? Let me explain. Shadowing is when you listen to a person speaking in English and then you repeat the same words with the same sound and rhythm. You try to copy the speaker, like a shadow. This helps you improve your listening, speaking, and even reading. When you shadow, you practice pronunciation, intonation, and speed. At first, it may feel difficult, but don't worry. Practice makes progress. First, listen to me as I read the story. Watch the words on the screen, then repeat after me, sentence by sentence. You don't need to be perfect. The important thing is to practice, listen carefully, and try again. Today, I chose a story for you. It's simple, fun, and useful. The main character is Lina, a young woman who takes her first flight to London. Just like you, she is learning and making mistakes. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Today is the day. I am flying to London. This is my first time flying to another country. I check my passport and ticket again and again. Everything is in my bag. I don't want to forget anything. At the check-in desk, a woman smiles and says, "Good morning. Can I see your passport?" "Yes, of course," I reply. She types on her computer, then gives me a paper. "Here is your boarding pass. You are in seat 19B. Have a nice flight." I say thank you. My heart beats fast. It feels real now. I go to the security check. The line is very long. I wait and wait and wait. Finally, it is my turn. I put my bag on the belt. The officer checks my things. "Everything is fine," he says. Now I walk to gate 12. Many people are sitting there. Some people read books, some play on their phones, and some eat snacks. I sit down and look at the big window. I see airplanes outside. They look huge. After some time, I hear an announcement. Flight 324 to London is now boarding. Please line up by group number. I stand up quickly. My hands feel a little sweaty. When I get on the plane, I walk slowly down the aisle. I look for seat 19B. At last, I find it. But, oh no! Someone is already sitting there. It is a woman with curly hair. She is drinking water and looking at her phone. I feel shy, but I say, "Excuse me, I think this is my seat." She looks up, surprised. "Really? Let me check." She takes her ticket. My ticket says 19B. This is my seat. Now I feel confused. I take out my own ticket. "Look, mine also says 19B, I say. We both look at the tickets. Both say the same number. For a moment, I don't know what to do. Then a man behind me says, "Maybe one of you is on the wrong plane." My face turns red. Could I be wrong? But no, the ticket says London, flight 324. This is correct. The woman smiles politely. Maybe we should ask the flight attendant, she says. A flight attendant comes over. She looks at both tickets. She points to mine. Ah, I see. You are in row 19, but your seat is C, not B. That is the aisle seat. I look again at my ticket. Yes, it says 19C, not 19B. Oh no, I say softly. I made a mistake. The woman laughs kindly. Don't worry, it happens. I feel embarrassed. I am sorry, I say. She nods and smiles again. I move one seat to the side and sit down in 19C. It is the aisle seat, not a window, but still comfortable. When the plane takes off, I feel nervous, but then I look around. People are calm. Soon I feel better. The man sitting next to me says, "Is this your first flight?" "Yes," I answer. "It's my first time going to London." He smiles. "You will like it. London is busy, but very interesting. You can see Big Ben, the Eye, and many museums."
I listen carefully. I like talking to him. It makes me feel less nervous. During the flight, the attendants give us food. I eat pasta and drink juice. It tastes nice. I watch the small screen in front of me. There is a map. It shows the airplane moving slowly across the ocean. Hours later, the plane starts to land. My stomach feels funny, but I hold the seat tight. Finally, we are on the ground. People clap and smile. Before I leave, I say to the woman in 19B, "Sorry again about the seat mistake." She says, "No problem. Mistakes happen. Enjoy your trip." Her words make me feel warm inside. Yes, mistakes happen, but we can learn from them. What can we learn from Lina's story? Lina learned 2 things. Always check your ticket carefully. Mistakes are normal. When we are kind and patient, everything becomes easier. This story is also like learning English. Sometimes we make mistakes, but that is okay. Mistakes help us grow. Here are some helpful words and expressions from the story. At the airport. Can I see your passport? Here is your boarding pass. Have a nice flight. Security check. Gate. Boarding pass. On the plane. Excuse me, I think this is my seat. Let me check my ticket. Don't worry, it happens. Enjoy your trip. Window seat. Aisle seat. Middle seat. Examples. I showed my boarding pass at the gate. I prefer a window seat. The security check took a long time. Practice time. Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. Excuse me, I think this is my seat. Let me check my ticket. Don't worry, it happens. Have a nice flight. Enjoy your trip. Very good. You did great. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed Lina's story and learned new words. Remember, shadowing helps you sound more natural in English. You can watch this video many times.
Repeat the story again and again. Every time you practice, you get better. Learning English is not only about grammar and words. It is about connecting with people, just like Lina did on her flight. So, keep practicing, stay positive, and enjoy your journey with English. See you in the next video.